Effective cleaning starts with good hand hygiene and the right product. Shared surfaces are high-risk areas for the spread of germs. Use a consistent wiping motion to ensure all surfaces are visibly clean. Pay close attention to frequently touched areas. Don't forget items handled throughout the day, such as phones and communication devices. Clean methodically to help avoid spreading dirt and germs from one surface to another. For best results, use the correct technique, dispose of wipes correctly, and perform hand hygiene after cleaning. Consistent cleaning supports a safer environment for everyone. Speedy Clean Biodegradable Wipes support safe and effective infection control.